A storm's on the way. Are you ready? Water damage is the most significant risk to your home, and repair costs can easily be in the thousands of dollars. MinuteMan flood bags help protect your most valuable asset, your home. The MinuteMan Home Kit can be stored indefinitely, compactly, and is ready when needed. It includes specially designed bags that contain a non-toxic super absorbent. Once placed in fresh water, the bags expand to 500 times their weight in minutes and can be used just like sandbags to mitigate the risk of water entering under doors and into garages. The MinuteMan Home Kit has multiple benefits. They are compact and easy to store, are always ready and easier to use than messy sandbags, reduces the risk of costly water damage, and provides peace of mind. You keep a first aid kit handy for emergencies. Shouldn't you do the same thing to protect your home from costly water damage? Visit our website or call today to order your MinuteMan Home Kit and be ready for the next storm at a minute's notice.